Getting placed in the right dorm is one of the single most important factors affecting your first year at UF. Did you think your only option was a cramped traditional room with a random roommate? Think again.
The location of the luxury dorms compared to on campus, they might as well just be on campus. Even though they're off campus, they're so much closer to my classes than my Lakeside dorm was. I like the luxury dorms a lot better because they're bigger, they're nicer, there's more amenities.
The great thing about the luxury dorms is they're actually less expensive than traditional dorms, so my parents aren't paying way more money for something that is not as nice. The luxury dorms are cheaper and nicer.
The luxury dorms are located closer to UF classes than many of the traditional dorms. Rooms are up to 60% larger, and you can choose from private attached bathrooms or shared bathrooms. Plus, the luxury dorms are less expensive than traditional dorm rooms. Which is right for you?
I think the most luxurious dorm is Ivy House. It's almost like a sorority house. There's like jacuzzi tubs in the bathrooms and everything.
The Ivy House is the closest dorm to UF's sorority row and offers single, double, and triple rooms. The rooms are spacious with elevated ceilings, private closets for each student, pedestal sinks, large gourmet kitchen and cafe, and large living room where you'll meet other UF students, and even a covered parking garage. And don't forget, it's the closest dorm to sorority row.
Roommate matching works when I filled out my application. I also filled out kind of my lifestyle preferences almost, like what time I wake up, like how loud I like my music, if I like to have people over, if I'm messy, if I'm whatever, just all the things that are more important than just your gender, your age. And they matched me up with this girl, Ashley, and we get along great. Roommate matching.
Visit www.dormsforgators.com or call the Dorms for Gators housing office and speak to a housing specialist. There's still time to change your reservation from a traditional dorm room to one of the luxury dorms. Schedule a tour or reserve your room online.
We will help you find the right dorm for you.